HTML image. Do you know what actually image can do in the web page? Image can improve the design and appearance of the web page. With the help of image, we can make our website very attractive. We all know that a picture can speak louder than words. Image help us to know the related information about the subject. In HTML, img tag is used to embed image in our web page. It does not have closing tag. Without attributes, it is nothing. There are two very important attributes to define image in HTML. First one is src and second one is alt. These two attributes are very important when we are embedding images in our website. Okay, src means the source or path of the image. With the help of source, we can link image, and another attribute is alt. It helps to know the image area. When image is not displayed, height, width, title, these are also attributes. Height and width. We can set height and width of the image. When we move our mouse, it displays the title of the image. Okay, let's see it in practice. I am using Sublime Text Editor here, but you can use Notepad also. Save file, images.html. Okay, select all files and desktop long. Okay, here I want to save this file. Okay, now start code, but before this we have to have images which we can display it to the web pages. So inside of this image folder I have these two images. Now let's start HTML code. Give title, image use, profile. Okay, we are break line, and now give img src source equal to path of the image. What is the path of my image? Go to this image and go to its properties and copy the location of this image, copy and paste it here in the source or URL. Okay, now alt equal to profile. We can give image height and width. Height equal to 200, width equal to 200 pixel. Let's save it HTML. This is my file. This is a alt which helps to identify the image area. Okay, image is not showing because there is some problem with path. Okay, image. Now I have to give the image name also. Image name is Rajesh. Dot file type is JPG. Okay, so yes is Rajesh dot JPG. Save it. Now it will visible. Now this is the image. If you want to use image as background image, then you can write background, give path of the background image. Okay, I'm using this image, so copy the location of this image and paste it here, and also give the image name. Okay, bgimage.png, bgimage.png. Okay, now save this, check it. This is the background color. Okay, and this way you can use background image and image in your website. This is the example of HTML image.